Enjoying my oats. So the dark chocolate is completely melted and it's mixed with the oats. I like to add a bit of dark chocolate in my oats. It adds a lot of flavoring. I'm not a fan of chocolates otherwise, but yeah, I like only dark chocolate. It's yum. It's evening now. Let me show you time. It's 7:40. Yes. So I'm sitting down for the evening session, and here is a cup of tea. And here I have this with me. I don't know if you find this in your place, but it's really yum. I love it. Hello, welcome back. So using a tripod is really effective because you get this stable view. Yeah, so many of you have been asking me to share my experience using this tripod on my Instagram, so I'll try to do that. Yes, I have already did that in the previous video. I'm so sorry. Okay, but yeah, but the time when I shared that experience, I was only using it for 2 to 3 days, but now it's about a month since I've been using this tripod, and my experience is great. For that amount of price, it's quite okay, you know. Let me sip on my tea. So I'm sitting down for my evening study session. Okay, the laptop is missing. It's in another room. I have to get it. Okay, this way it is. It's basically a mix of a lot of things. It's sweet and tangy and yeah, and salty. It's a lot of flavors, so I like it. Okay, let me show you. It basically looks like this. have this digital clock which is really cool, I wanted something, some color pop in my photos and videos, so I got this. But the light turns off, after some time. So I'm looking for something which gives more, light. And also the light is fine, but it just goes off. I don't know for what reason. It do not stay. Here you can see it's diminishing. Also, I'm having some issues with the lamp that's sitting there, so I have to get it repaired soon. I love the light of the lamp. It's yellow, and yellow is kind of, aesthetic and everything, so I have to get it repaired. Okay, my evening study session is still going on. Okay, so I want to show you something. Okay, so some of you have been asking me regarding this portrait. This is a portrait of me. The artist has done it. He has done an amazing job. One of my students, he gifted me this painting. Okay, so for context, guys, I'm a student of literature, and right now I'm studying literature as well. So I'm going through an analysis of a novel, and the name of the novel is The Last of the Mohicans. So moving on to the characterization. So for dinner today we are having khichdi. It's one of my favorites. Here is my breakfast. So this is flattened rice, and in my mother tongue we call it sira, which is also known as poha. This is flattened rice and a bit of jaggery, and then I'll add yogurt. Here is the Maggie. I have to complete my assignment today, so I have a lot of work to do. Let me enjoy the Maggie first, then I'll sit down to study and complete my assignment. That's important. Taste test. Okay. I like the taste.